across to West Bengal, where Finance Minister Amit Mitra has lashed out at Ratan Tata's remarks on the lack of industrialization in the state.
That's right. Amit Mitra said that Tata may be suffering from delusion, and that was why he was making such comments about the industry in West Bengal. Speaking at an event, Tata had made comments critical of Bengal and his experience in Chengur, where farmers' agitation backed by Mamata Banerjee forced him to shift a Tata Nano plant to Sanand in Gujarat.
Mr. Modi has a track record of being a doer, and I think what he has done in Gujarat has been there for everyone to see. Quick acting, growth oriented rather than control oriented. It's been about 2 years since I've been into Calcutta. Still looks like a countryside under development. It is.
সে তো মতিভ্রম হয়েছে, হয়তো উনি বুঝতে পারেননি, খবর পাননি, আমি জানি না কেন, সেটা ওকে জিজ্ঞেস করুন, এই কথাগুলো উনি জানেন না কেন।